About my family. Conversation 1. We are a typical British family, I think. My husband's name is Tom and we have got 2 children, a girl and a boy. Our daughter's name is Emma and Chris is our son, he is just a baby. Bill is my father and Pat is my mother. I have got 1 brother, his name is Max, and 1 sister, Kate. Conversation 2. My wife's name is Anna and we have got 1 daughter, Sally. She is 16 years old now. I have got 2 sisters, Lisa and Kate. Lisa is married with 2 kids and Kate is divorced. My parents' names are Pat and Bill. They have got 3 children and 3 grandchildren, 2 granddaughters, Sally and Emma, and a grandson, Chris. Conversation 3. My mum and dad's names are Anna and Max. I have got 2 aunts, Lisa and Kate, and 1 uncle. His name is Tom and he is a musician. I have also got 2 cousins, Emma and Chris. My grandparents' names are Bill, he is my grandfather, and Pat is my grandmother. Asking about family, questions and answers. How many brothers and sisters have you got? I have got 2 brothers and 1 sister. Who is your grandfather? He is Peter. How many children have you got? I have got 3 children. Who are their parents? Their father's name is Tom and mother is Lisa. How many grandchildren has she got? She has got 2 grandchildren. Who is his uncle? His uncle's name is Bill. How many children has he got? He has got 2 children.